we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way. Smoke coming up, wanna see a donut. So I pull up the motherfucking E-brake. Under the seat is a 3.8, them tires, they smell like a DJ, Then I double back to the sink, cause I know that someone got it on instant replay. Went and dropped the bag just for the tune-up, we need extra speed. 20 for the rap, posted at Valero, sitting extra clean. Waiting for the ghost, he bending corners in the SRT. Fume on the daily, we got them niggas screaming FOD. Like I'm Ghosty VA, we got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way. Coming up, wanna see a donut, so I pull up the motherfucking E-brake. Under the seat is a 3.8,
Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ghosty V8, man. I'm back with another video, man. Back with another banger. Back with another mod video, man. Man, you already know what it is. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We're going up all 2021. Said it right this time. Man, cash giveaway still going on. Once I hit 500 subs, I might get 423, I think. So run it up. Let's get 500 subs. Share this video. Like it, man. But I just seen the title, man. I'm installing the pedal commander on my 2017 Dodge Charger. I'm gonna see if it makes a difference. Was it worth the money? Was it worth it? Man, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna give y'all an install video. I'm gonna give y'all a couple runs with it. Just with it on. Man, go ahead and stay tuned to the video. Ghosty V8 out. All right, so here's the pedal commander, man. Fresh out the box. PC31. It's not so box, you know. Go ahead and open it. I'm trying to do this in one hand, so don't. You know, you got this. You know, gives you the instructions with it. Well, we're gonna try this thing out. Installation, you know, turn off ignition. Make sure your keys are about 35 feet away. So I'm just gonna put them inside. But other than that, man, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. I'm excited to see what this thing do. Was it worth my money? But let's find out. All right, first things first, you're gonna have to remove. I'm gonna take this thing down. It's my light. You're gonna have to remove this panel right here. So let's go ahead and remove that. I already got everything pre-moved. So I can make this video a little bit quicker. You are gonna have to unplug the light. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. So I got the light unplugged. You're gonna unplug this one. Hold on, find it. This one right here. So it unclips. And you click the metal commander into that. So let's get started. All right, YouTube, let me show you how I got this running. I got mine running through my steering wheel column section. So you know, it's got it unplugged right here. So this one right here plugged into the OG connector, OM connector, and this one plugs into the pedal. Then I think I'm gonna have it mounted about right there. But let's go ahead and get it started. So everything is connected. This is the one that plugs into the OG connector. Then you come up here, and you got that one right there. And let's get this thing mounted. All right, YouTube, so this is where I decided to mount it. I might end up changing it because I really don't know if I like it there. I got it plugged in. Let's see if I did this right. Okay, it's doing some. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Go ahead and get this cold start too. Oh. All right, so I got it hooked up. And it is on. So we're finna test this thing out. I'm going ahead and put it on let's go ahead and max it out. 4+. See what this thing can do. All right, man, so I got it on. I got it in I got the motherfucker on full. I got my sport mode on. And just pulling out the motherfucking driveway. This wants to go. So I'm finna go have some fun with it. I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. Just be safe out there when you're doing this, because you know laws are hot. laws are really, really high. But let's get it. All right, so I just pulled up in a little Mexico. I'll show you what it's on. That sport mode. We're gonna come right here and we're just gonna see what this thing can do. All right, man, so I tested it out. I've seen that little video, but we're really finna give it run for money right now. Boy, that's a huge difference. Like, I recommend you get one of these, cause man, hey, get one. It's working. Hey man, that was today's banger. I hope you really enjoyed it. This pedal commander made a big difference. So if you see me on the road, I might be able to bust your ass now. But other than that, man, make sure you subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and you should get that pedal commander too, because it's a whole game changer, man. But other than that, man, Ghosty V8 out.
Drift off like I'm Ghosty V8. We got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way.